In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify TikTok business account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to fill out, and how to submit the documents TikTok needs to confirm your business. Start by opening the TikTok app and making sure you're logged into the account you want to verify. Head to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. In the top right, tap the three horizontal lines to open the main menu, then choose Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings, look for Account. Here, select the option to switch to a business account. TikTok will guide you with on-screen prompts. Follow them carefully. You'll be asked to select a category. Pick the category that best describes your business, as this helps TikTok understand what you do and improves how your profile is presented. Once you've switched to a business account, add a business email to your profile so you can verify it. Go to your account information, add your email address, and confirm it by entering the code or tapping the link. TikTok sends to your inbox. Using a domain-based email from your website can help establish credibility, but any email you use for your business is fine. Make sure you can access that inbox right away. Next, look for the option that says Register Now to start the verification process for your business. Tap Register Now and carefully provide all the requested information. TikTok will ask for necessary data to confirm your business details, and you'll need to submit documents. Follow the prompts on your screen. They'll show you exactly what's required. Commonly accepted documents include official business registration certificates, tax documents, or licenses. Ensure the business name and address on your documents match what you enter in TikTok. Upload clear, legible photos or PDFs with all corners visible, and avoid edits or filters. If you have a website, make sure it's live and consistent with your business information, as this can support your submission. Before submitting, double-check everything for accuracy. Confirm your category, review your contact email, and verify that the documents are current and complete. Submit your application and keep an eye on your notifications and email for updates. Reviews can take some time, so be patient. If TikTok asks for more information, respond promptly and provide exactly what they request through the in-app process. That's the full process. Open the app, go to your profile, enter settings, switch to a business account, choose your category, verify your email, tap Register Now, and submit the required documents by following the on-screen prompts. Stay thorough and you'll be on your way to a verified TikTok business account.